Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing the HTB Often profile into OpenVPN or WireGuard and launching it with elevated privileges. Once done, check your new TUN 0 interface and routing table so traffic for the HTB network routes over the tunnel. Make sure to test connectivity by pinging the HTB gateway and a known machine IP. If you cannot reach the gateway, recheck credentials and the profile. Then restart the VPN client and confirm no local firewall is blocking the tunnel. You perform fast but thorough enumeration. Start an Nmap full port scan with service detection and default scripts to map attack surface. Once results arrive, pivot to targeted tools, Gaubuster for directories, Nikto for web issues, and an for Linux or SMB client for SMB shares. At the same time, attempt safe credential checks against SSH or weblogin forms. As you proceed, correlate version info with known exploits, and keep notes of valid credentials and reachable services so you can plan privilege escalation. You deploy a controlled exploit or craft a manual payload to get an initial shell, preferring stable reverse shells and verified payload encodings. Once you have a shell, enumerate local users, services, cron jobs, and sudo rights to identify privilege escalation paths and act methodically to gain root. After escalation, create a low-impact persistence method only for testing and record commands and file changes. If something breaks, a key troubleshooting tip: rerun basic network checks and Nmap.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.